What if our familiar single sun was joined by another? Imagine a sky painted with not one, but two dazzling celestial anchors. How would this cosmic ballet reshape everything we know about our home? Binary star systems are common in the universe. But for Earth to have two suns, there are a few ways it could happen. Perhaps two stars orbit a common center, with Earth caught in a stable orbit around both. Or maybe one smaller star orbits our primary sun, with Earth then orbiting the primary. The most immediate challenge would be gravity. Our current orbit is a delicate balance. Introducing a second massive body would pull and tug, potentially throwing Earth into a chaotic spiral, perhaps out into the cold void or towards a fiery embrace with a star. Stability would be a rare cosmic lottery win. If Earth achieved a stable orbit, the most striking change would be the light. Imagine constant daylight or incredibly short periods of twilight. Depending on the sun's positions and brightness, shadows would shift, stretch, and multiply in fascinating, ever-changing ways. Temperature would become a roller coaster. When both suns were visible, intense heat would scorch the surface. When one dipped below the horizon, or both were on the opposite side of our world, temperatures would plummet dramatically. This extreme variability would be a formidable challenge for life. Plant life, the foundation of our ecosystems, relies on a predictable day-night cycle for photosynthesis and respiration. Constant light could overstimulate plants, leading to exhaustion or even preventing them from processing the energy they absorb. New evolutionary paths would be essential for survival. Two suns mean double the solar wind and cosmic radiation. Earth's magnetic field, our protective shield, would be under immense stress. A weakened magnetosphere could lead to atmospheric erosion, slowly stripping away our air and water into space, rendering the planet inhospitable. Our weather is driven by solar energy and Earth's rotation. With two suns, global wind patterns, ocean currents, and precipitation cycles would be drastically altered. We could see perpetual superstorms, vast deserts, or unending deluges depending on the orbital dance and stellar energies. For life to emerge or persist in such conditions, it would need incredible resilience. Organisms might develop multiple biological clocks or radically different metabolic pathways to cope with erratic light and extreme temperatures. Adaptations would be profound, perhaps beyond our current comprehension. Imagine our senses in such a world. Sight would be dominated by shifting double shadows and a constantly changing palette of light from two sources. Our very concept of time, usually tied to predictable day and night, would be fundamentally redefined by the complex dance of two stars. If humanity arose in such a world, our myths and legends would be profoundly different. Sun worship would be complex, perhaps honoring two distinct celestial entities, or seeing them as an inseparable, powerful pair. Our calendars would be intricate, tracking the movements of both celestial bodies. Buildings would need to withstand extreme temperature swings and potentially stronger winds. Perhaps subterranean cities, or structures designed with advanced thermal regulation and reinforced materials, would become the norm, offering refuge from the erratic elements. Growing food would be an immense challenge. Farmers would need to cultivate genetically modified crops engineered for resilience or employ enclosed climate-controlled environments like vast biodomes. Predictable seasons, as we know them, would simply not exist. A world with two suns would be alien, beautiful, and utterly challenging. From the very fabric of its geology to the intricacies of its ecosystems, everything would be a testament to the powerful, chaotic, yet often stable forces of stellar dynamics. While our solitary sun offers a stable haven, pondering such cosmic alternatives reminds us of the vast, diverse, and often perilous possibilities that unfold across the universe. It's a humbling and inspiring thought, isn't it? Our single star is a true gift.